Okay, in this video, we're going to go over your Amazon stores in a little bit more detail. And your Amazon stores will be using different themes, but most of everything will apply here. So this is just one of the stores that we're going to go over. Now these are set up differently, as you know. So let's go in and take a look. Now I'm just going to go over right from the start about adding products. Okay, all these products right here. Now in the stores, these are added with a Amazon plugin. So when you're adding products to your site, what you want to do is come down to WP Zone Builder. And the first thing you want to do is go to AWS AFS settings, like I showed you in the other video, and input your Amazon information, which will be your 2 access keys and then your associate ID. You want to change that. Then you want to click on Save Changes. Then you want to scroll down, put in your Amazon ID, and then click Change Associate IDs, and that'll change your ID for all of the products that are added by this plugin. Now when you're to add products, what you'd want to do is go to Add to Queue. Okay, you don't need to go into general settings, they're all set up. Just go to Add to Queue, and this is where you're going to search for products to add to this queue. Now a queue is a holder for products that you have not posted yet. So this is adding products to this queue. But first we must search for the products. So you want to select a category for whatever you're looking for. And I'm just going to select one. In the sort order, you can select by featured items, best selling, lowest to highest. Now you'll need to kind of play with these a little bit to get exactly what you're looking for. A lot of times I use best selling, but I also use highest to lowest, so I can get some higher price products on there. But you want to choose your sort order, and then you want to click in or type in your keywords. Okay. So we might I'm just making this up. Type in that, and you want to click on Get Products. And then what it's going to do is going to go to Amazon and search for products that we might be able to add to the queue. And it'll bring back a list of products, and you would just go through and pick the ones you want to add, and then individually add them to the queue. Or you can add a bunch of products at one time. So you can add the first 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 8900, whatever to the queue. Okay. Now once you add those to the queue, you'll be done on this page. When you have the products that you want on your site added, then you'll be done. Then you'll go to Post Products, and it's going to tell you that there's no products to post because there's no I didn't put it in the queue. Let's go back to our queue. We'll go ahead and put a couple products in the queue, just for an example. Once those get in the queue, you're done with that page, and you can go to Post Products. Now here you want to select the category, and you're going to have a few different categories. You don't want to put them in the blog. Okay. You can put them in product reviews, or you can make a category by going to Post Categories. But just pick a category. This is optional. You can create manufacturer brand categories. I do this sometimes, not all the time, but that's up to you. You don't have to worry about the post tags. And if you want to post all of the products right now, just come down and click here to post products. Now I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to put those products on this site. But that's how you add products. And again, you're going to have some widgets that we talked about in the first video, okay, that you'll need to come in and add your ID. These are your widgets. Now you can add more widgets. You can add whatever you like over here. Okay. Now as far as the theme, like I said, we use different themes on different the different stores, but you want to go ahead and go into your theme options, whatever that theme may be. In this case, it's Zoner. So you want to make sure and go to the theme options and go through it and look. Because you can put ads within the themes. So go through there and make sure that you have those ads in that you want. Now just noticed on this one's set up for Associate Goliath. So Zon Builder wasn't used on this particular site. Zon Builder is used on a lot of the others. But this particular site uses Goliath, which is right here. And you would just go to Admin. And put in your own information. Okay. When I'm building these sites, when I add products to the site, you have to put in all this information, including a Amazon Associate ID. So I put in my demo ID so it'll bring back products. Otherwise, it won't put any products up. So you need to change that information. Then you can just go through here and put the information that you like. Check the category. Decide how many posts you want to add. And then just click Schedule New Post, and that will post products for you. There's really not a whole lot to it. They're pretty simple. And again, for this particular site, it uses Goliath. So make sure you go in and change your IDs there. And then the other ones will more than likely be using Zon Builder. Okay. Really that's about it. There's not much to it. Most of the other stuff is we talked about in the first video. So, and again, if you have any questions, just contact me. Sometimes it takes me a little bit to get back to you, but I will get back to you as quickly as possible. So enjoy the sites, and we'll talk to you soon.